If you use Google Gemini with a pro account that is tied to a Google Workspace account, my guess is that you have not been able to delete your chats. I know that's been the case for us, and we've had our pro account since they started doing them. Like, we've had a Workspace account for longer than Gemini's existed. So as soon as they started doing the pro accounts with Gemini, with Workspace, we just automatically had one, and we have not been able to delete our chats. And the other day, I was in here in Gemini, and apparently they've changed that. So if you have the same situation, I just want to make a quick video to show you that you can actually delete your chats now. So first of all, if you don't know, you would just get here by going to gemini.google.com, and then you log into your Google account if you haven't logged in already with something else. And then you can do this with a new chat or with an old chat. It doesn't really matter. I'll just do a new chat because I'm here right now. I'll just ask for a random fact. I just want to have an actual chat to delete. So there you go. Sharks are older than trees. Actually, didn't know that. That's interesting. So, okay, so now I have a chat, right? So if you expand the sidebar, and then these are all your recent chats. These are all my recent chats down here, right? So before, if I click on the little ellipsis to the right of the chat, I didn't have the delete option before, but it's here now. So now I can go in and I can just click delete, and it'll have the little, you sure you want to do this thing? And then yes, and now it's gone. And like, this doesn't seem like a big deal. Other Gemini accounts, my free account, I have a plus account, everything else, you can just delete chats and it didn't matter. But we could never do it on our pro account with Workspace. And I don't know why, but they apparently changed something on the back end, and now you're able to delete chats. And it's not just new chats. If I go to one of my old chats here, I can delete this too. I'm not going to delete that one because I don't want to, but I mean, there are so many chats that are in here because I haven't been able to delete chats for years now. So anyway, if you use Gemini, again, with a pro account that is tied to a Google Workspace account, you can now delete your chats. And it's very simple. It's just, once you have an existing chat, you go to the right of the chat on the sidebar on the left here, and then you click on the ellipsis, the vertical ellipsis, and there should be a delete option. We didn't have to change any admin settings. We didn't have to change anything. This just showed up here. And we've been looking through our admin settings for a long time trying to find a setting to delete chats, and there has not been one. So it's like, we didn't change any settings. We didn't do anything, but we do have an option now. So if you've been in the same boat and you haven't been able to delete your chats, you may be able to now. So please go and look, check it out, and we will see you next time.